mentioned this before. Bristle brushes use two types of bristles: ad impasto bristles, those that build up impasto peaks, and remove impasto bristles, those that carve valleys in the impasto. These characteristics are important for the three bristle brush settings you can find in the brush creator: random span, oscillation, and variation. Random span sets how evenly, or randomly, your bristles are spaced across the brush. At 0, everything is perfectly aligned, so bristles that add impasto and bristles that remove impasto repeat in a predictable pattern. As you increase the setting, peaks and valleys land in new positions each stroke. Oscillation adds subtle vertical movement of these individual bristles in the stroke. At 0, bristles stay locked in place, so strokes can look stamped or mechanical. With oscillation, each bristle subtly rises and dips during the stroke. That movement creates micro variation in ridges and grooves over time. Variation shuffles the order of peak versus valley bristles. At 0, the order is fixed, like peak, valley, peak every time. Increasing it reshuffles that sequence for each stroke, so you might get peak, peak, valley, or valley, valley, peak combos. Dial these settings up and your brush stops repeating and starts behaving like real paint.